So this week is a big week for tech, and we have Alphabet, which is Google's parent company, and Tesla reporting earnings. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing start to the week. As you guys can see, Tesla and Alphabet are set to report earnings after the market closes on Wednesday. So you might be asking, why is the market pushing up? As many of you guys saw, right at market open, we went from actually selling off into an absolute just rocket into the green. What happened? What was announced? Nothing. Nothing was actually announced. All of big tech is going up based off of the expectation that we are entering big tech reporting earnings, and the expectation is good. The part that, again, does not make sense to me is how any of this expectation is set to be good when Tesla for 2 consecutive quarters has came in below the previous year. So it's been made very clear that Elon Musk says this ahead of Tesla earnings, even as profits expectations keep falling. Demand is falling for Tesla. The EV credits for the $7,500 is going away at the end of September. And again, there's still this negative gloom around the brand of Elon Musk. But can he turn this around by telling investors that he is expected to be back 100% 7 days a week? Because that seems like what is set to be said. And based off of that expectation, can Tesla rock it? There is no question that Tesla itself, this is the part that is very irritating, is that right at open, this thing pushed up to highs of 338. It was a complete bull trap for everyone that wanted to go long, because Tesla should not be going up. The expectations for Tesla are not good. Google might be a little bit different. Google has been performing a lot better, but when it comes down to Tesla, that is definitely not the case. Tesla's performance is down. Tesla's revenue is down. Tesla's profits are down. Fundamentally, the company is not growing. No one cares about what it's going to do in 5 to 10 years if it can't grow today. And again, can Tesla or can Elon give Tesla investors the reassurance on Wednesday? Remember, when these companies report earnings, they have the earnings, and then a few minutes after, they have the earnings call. That's going to be crucial when it comes down to Tesla, because it's not going to be much of a surprise that Tesla's earnings are going to come below analyst expectations. As you can see, it went from being up 3% in the green to now fully being in the red, losing about 3% of its value in the past hour since the market has opened. Tesla, in my opinion, has still been incredibly bullish for no reason. Even after leaving the Trump administration, Tesla is still trading at an insane PE ratio. And if you take previous highs and previous lows into consideration, Tesla is overbought, especially fundamentally. But we've made it very clear, with a good story and with good price momentum, Tesla can continue to push higher. And that's what I would say the Tesla bulls are hoping for. That yes, whatever Elon Musk says, that Tesla investors believe it. So we'll see on Wednesday. There's no reason to try to predict. This is a time that I'm going to be paying attention and to see how the markets react. We've seen it many times where Tesla can report terrible earnings because fundamentally it's not doing well. But if its guidance is good, or if what Elon Musk says rallies up investors, Tesla stock can still push up. Remember, this is the environment that we are currently in, a market full of greed. So fundamentally, it doesn't have to do well, at least not now in the short term. Long term, yes, it will matter, but as of right now, just like most of the market, look at QQQ, pushing up to new highs for no reason, looking incredibly overbought, and we'll see how this goes into the close. Will the market retrace as it became too overbought and overvalued for, again, no actual reason, just based off of good expectation of what's to come? The other big tech company that is set to report earnings is going to be on Wednesday, and this is Google. Google has had really strong performing 2024 and 2025 with higher highs and higher lows. When it did become oversold, it's had an amazing recovery, and although it's not trading at all-time highs like some of your other big tech companies, it's still performing very well, and we'll see. I really think that the way that Google reports will be the expectation for many of these tech companies. So if it comes in below expectation, then get ready for markets to drop as a whole, because that expectation will kind of cloud everything else. But if expectation and earnings report are good, then again, get ready for markets to push up to new highs, as again, this can be the catalyst that the market has been waiting for, right? Because it's already incredibly overbought, but the catalyst that the market might want to push markets to even new highs. So a very exciting week for those that want to pay attention. Earnings is a crucial week for a lot of investors and a lot of traders. Remember, you don't need to make an impulsive decision. You don't need to try to predict the future. There's nothing wrong with sitting back, watching the market react, and see if any opportunities present itself for both longs, for bulls, or for shorts, for bears, all depending on what is expected versus what is reported. This is one of my favorite times to be paying attention to the market. I hope to see you there. Don't forget to subscribe, as I will be live streaming a lot of these tech companies as they report earnings. Also, don't forget, I trade live every single morning, and if you ever want to tune in to these live trading sessions, second link in the description down below. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.